Hello guys, so today we'll be talking about this trading, a forex trading broker script. I'm going to be taking you through how to build it from the beginning to the end. This is the landing page. As you can see, we have some activities going on the landing page, like the call to action buttons, the plans, and so on and so forth. So we are going to be logging in right now. Let's see our sign up page. Let's also see how, okay, I already have an account, obviously, so I'm going to be logging in. Then we are going to be going through the admin dashboard and the user dashboard. Then immediately after that, we are going to go into how to build this particular forex trading broker. So now this is forex trading broker, the user dashboard. Merely we can come here right now and say we want to trade. As you can see, this is how it is. It's still loading, although it's still loading, but you can see most part of it right now. Let's wait for it to load up so that we see what we are trying to build. All right. So we'll come here and say we want to trade. Put on our trade. Let's say intraday. Put it on what, depending on what you want to do. Let's say put on 2 minutes. Yes. Come here, or let's put this on turbo. Let's put it on 1 minute. All right. So we'll come here and say we want to trade with 10,000. When we are done imputing 10,000, let's put it on call. You can put it on call or put. So immediately put it on that one. Say trading successfully placed. Now for you to go to your admin, I'm going to start this on this admin part so that you understand. For your admin link, you can come here for your admin link. It has your public HTML slash uadmin, just slash uadmin. That's uadmin. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is my own public HTML, so I'm going to be slashing this slash uadmin. Takes me straight to my admin dashboard, as you can see here. Now, where do you get your admin user, your admin login from? Your admin login from. So this is the table, the SQL table. You come here, your admin. You come here, you get your admin at mail.com and so on and so forth. And you also get your password. You can also change it here. You can change the admin mail here, the admin name, as you can see, and the admin password. So you come here and you click on, okay, we are going to admin, no, not user this time. Use admin. Okay. I think I copied it. So paste it. I'll come here, do the password. All right. So we are checking on how to control this page, and so I've covered the admin part also, how to get the admin password and admin link. So these are all the other parts of it. You can fund your account, you can fund it with any of this, fund it with crypto. Basically it's crypto. You can fund it with your crypto, you can fund it. You can also place different trades. That's different. You have the demo trading option here. On the setting, you can put your setting data, your personal data, and the security settings, which include your password and so on. On the statement is transaction history. For instance, we just placed one right now. We are going to be seeing it here. This is the one that has been placed before. But right now, we want to go and control our trade so that it's win. We can either choose our trade to go to win or lose. Now, this is the one we just, okay, no, this is the one we just did. The one on the pending. Let's go back. The one we just did right now is the one on the pending. So immediately that time is over, the timer on the broker, immediately it's over, it goes to win or lose, whatsoever you choose here. Also, you have to observe something else. Or in the place I just chose that win right now, yeah, you see that there's a part that there's a percentage there. That percentage is, if it's going to be a trade that we're going to winning, that trade has to carry that particular amount of percentage on it as a winning percentage. If it's a trade that we're going to losing, that means that thing has lost that amount of percentage also. So that's the meaning of that part of the percentage that we actually came across while we are trying to choose whether it's a win or a lose for the trade. Yeah, so that's the meaning of that. So basically, this is the basic function of this broker, a forex trading broker, where you can win, where you can actually place a trade to win the trade or you lose the trade. So the admin controls it basically from here. So the other part of this, which we just spoke about, the contact us, that's for the admin. You can also choose to integrate. You can also choose to just change it to your own WhatsApp, or you can choose to just put the live chat button at the other side. That one is something that's optional. So come to the account funds, the withdrawal. the transaction history, so that we see what we just placed right now. Okay, so right now the one we just placed for win is among this right now. The one we just placed for win. So right now you can see that when you put it on lose, it will, you also see it here, the description. It will be maybe the trade lose or the trade win. You understand? So right now it's on the trade win because we set it from the admin. So right now we are going to go straight into the building of it. As you can see, the URL, right? The URL we have on our screen right now is this slash global forex. This is my public HTML slash this is my public dot this is my public HTML slash global forex. So we are going to create our own right now folder. Let's call this global forex one. So for the purpose of this, there are other functions that can actually you can actually go through on this thing, but this is a basic function that people are so interested in, so that's why I'm covering it. So for the sake of this video, we're calling this file global forex. So by the end of this video, I'll be telling you how to get this file. So you just have to follow the full step of how I actually want to set it up, so that you understand what you are setting up. Thank you. So let's go straight into it. I just created another folder, call it global forex one. Okay, this global forex, this is where we are did all the tests we just did right now. This global forex one, we want to do our new setup. So the first thing, you have to have a cPanel. Your cPanel, you can get it from Namecheap, you can get it from GoDaddy, you can get it from wheresoever you are comfortable with, wheresoever you understand their terms and policies, you can get it from there. So we upload, we click on upload. When I do my videos, I divide my setting up process into three to make it easy for beginners. The first is upload, which includes uploading your file. That's the first. So we are going to be uploading this global forex. That's the first. The second is setting up your database. Setting up your database has other sub processes. Like number one, on that setting up your database, you have to set up your database wizard. From your database wizard, you have to go to your PHP admin to upload your SQL. From there, you have to edit your SQL. That's edit those things, that the names, the emails, the numbers, what is not yours, when you are trying to customize it to what you want it to be. So right now, we are done with our uploading. Now, immediately you are done with your uploading, you come here, you come to your file manager and you unzip. You can use the word extract, you can use the word unzip. It is the same thing. So you close it. If it's showing like this, you just reload, then you come inside here, and always make sure to always turn on your show hidden files when you are setting up most things, because if you don't show hidden files, you might find that some files are just missing. So you select all and you move it to your public HTML. For you, you might just be doing this on your own public HTML. That's, you are buying one cPanel for this particular reason, so you are moving to your own public HTML. For me, I'm moving into this folder. That's why this is like this global forex. So I move it into the global forex and I go up one level to get to my public HTML. So this is where we are right now. For this setup, you need your SQL. Now, okay, let me not digress. Let's continue with our process, the steps. Now you are done with your uploading. You have extracted your file. Next place you have to go to is to set up your database. So I go to database wizard, or you can go to your cPanel. Let's just go to your main menu so that it doesn't confuse you. You go to your main menu, set up. Let's call this database wizard. So click on database wizard, look for it, click into the database wizard. Now let's call this DB global forex global FX1. So you can follow the step I used in creating my database. I just copied what I wrote inside that imputes DB global for FX1. I copied it. That's what I did. Now I'm going to paste that same thing here. What I just copied there, I'm going to paste it inside here. Now I'm also going to take this. I'm going to copy it and make it my password. So what I'm trying to do is to make everything identical to, that's the DB and everything. I'm trying to make it identical. So I'm going to click on create users. Immediately this part is done, you also click on all privileges. You you click on next step. Now it's always advisable to keep what you just created in your notepad. So immediately you are done with this is not necessary. Immediately you are done with it, you go to your PHP my admin, you click on your PHP my admin. Now you need to upload your SQL. Now sometimes your file will be sent to you and your SQL will be sent to you separately, but sometimes your file will just be sent to you. Now, most of those times, the SQL is inside the file, like this. Now, this is the SQL. So you come inside your file manager to look for the SQL folder or the SQL itself. You download it and you prepare it to be uploaded, or you download it and just upload. Now, this is where we just let me not confuse. Okay, so we search for our PHP my admin, and we are here right now. So we come to we are looking for the FX. That's the one we just created. DB Global Forex, the database we just created. So we come here, we click on imports. From imports, we also come to choose file so that we can upload our DB. Now this is what we just downloaded. So we'll upload it. Imports. While we are waiting for that, we'll come to our file manager to set up our database. So database includes in uploading your database, setting up your database wizard, uploading your SQL, and also setting up your database. So we'll come here. I hope I'm still inside my folder. So we'll come here. So you see the folder called config, the db.php, you edit it. Very good. So the db name right now, we remove what we found there and put as okay. Also for the same thing. So what we did is this db username, the db password, and db name, we made it identical. So straight up, so that's what we're doing right now. We'll come to this place. We are still waiting for this to upload for some reasons. um while we're on that, okay, I think it's uploading right now. All right, good. So everything uploaded successfully. I'm going to be explaining one part that I don't usually explain on my videos a lot, but like I said from the beginning of the video, you want to look for your admin details, where to log in. The details to log into your admin is on this table. Sometimes the password is hash, but right now the password is not hash, so you can just reset your password, click on it and reset your password. You are good to go. The deposit table and so on and so forth. But what one thing you have to always set up is this settings part of your table. You have to, for instance, you have to come now. If your platform is not Global Forex, you are trying to name it something else, you can just edit this part to make sure that everything is following what you want. If you want it to be, let's say, FX Forex trade, you will, and obviously this is not a link, so we are going to be putting in our own link into this place. um, FX1. So FX1. So come here, come to also change the email. It's very important to always change your email. Very important to change the email. Also change the email. Or very important to change your email. So always very important. So we go to info at is this. We'll come there, then we'll click on OK. So your referral bonus is here. Referral bonus is also in the admin. Yeah. Let's quickly check on that. Your referral bonus and some other things. So you also always make sure to go to your admin settings too. Most times when people write code, these things are pointed to your admin so that you can always easily set them. So you go to your admin, you see some other things, change. You have to change them also. So let's say you're changing this. Um, changing this. Forex. All right, so your referral bonus is $12, as you can see here. Activate sign up bonus, yes. And if you don't want it, you can click it on no. So you save. So this are one of the things that you have to do with editing. The last part of the process I was telling you about. Upload, um, database setup, and editing. All of these things have to do with editing. Also, you have to change logos. Most of the time, you have to change um the words, like the written words, the text, the HTML text, and so on and so forth. So right now, let's go back to our SQL so that we can complete our setup. So our email is here. Our email is now working, but always make sure that any email you put here, you have created that email already. You don't just put a non-existing email here; it won't work. So it controls your PHP mailer. It controls your SMTP setup. It controls your PHP mailer. So you have to put in the right email here. So basically, you have to put in the right email here. So let's check our global forex one, what we just set up. Let's check it. Very good. This is what we have. Very good. So on the part of this text, if you want to change them, you can change them from the index. Yeah, change from the index, edit, search for those words you want to change them, replace them. Very good. Thank you. Very important disclaimer, this video is strictly for educational purpose. um do well to hit the subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you for watching this video. You can send a direct message to me if you want this script. You can send a direct message to me on WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. I will not send you my details in the comment section. I will not send you my WhatsApp number or my contact in the comment section. It is in the description. You can also see it in the beginning of the video. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.